the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy thunderstorms producing rain rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour across central and southern Cook counties. Up to 1.5 inches of rain has fallen in southwest Cook County, with most of this rainfall occurring within 30 minutes. Rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible with these storms. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Cicero, Berwyn, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Oak Park, Chicago Midway Airport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.